Hello again, everyone. This is the stock review update video on Tesla and why I think Tesla is still in overdrive, still pushing higher, and still looks bullish to me. I last looked at Tesla a year ago. I think it was June of 2017. And at that time, it was right about in here. I was calling this high intermediate wave 3 right here. But for the most part, everything was labeled exactly the same. Now, of course, we didn't have any of this price action. This is a weekly chart. You can see it says 1 week up here. This is my orange scenario, which is my preferred count. So this is the preferred picture that I believe is what's going on with Tesla. Let's step back. And this is the all-time low down here in 2010. And what I believe we've got is a strong primary wave 1, a wave 2 pullback, which got very complex. And now I believe we're pushing higher in 3, which will then be followed by a pullback in 4, and then one final push into wave 5 to the upside. So this is where I think we're going right now. And this is the picture. I think we've got a nice little bullish channel here. Wave 3 really hasn't extended at this point. Let's take a look at this. Here is the daily chart of it. And I'm still leaving it kind of high level so we could see the entire picture. So here's intermediate wave 1. Let me, in intermediate wave 2, pullback. Wave 3 to the upside. If you look at wave 3 in here, let me decompose the waves in here, what I think is going on, and this is exactly what it is. Here's the minor waves, okay? This is the wave structure. This is the impulse wave. Now, wave 3 as a percent of wave 1, how did that look? 3 versus 1. Well, here's where 100% is, okay, at 340. That's where wave 3 would equal wave 1. So wave 3 is longer than wave 1, which is what you expect. But did it get to what I normally expect an extended wave 3 to get to up here at least 161.8? No, it did not, okay? So this is not an extended wave 3. That tells me that there's a decent chance that let me see if I can get rid of that. There we go. There's a decent chance that wave 5 will extend. Now, where I've got wave 5 labeled is not extended, okay? It's kind of conservative. It's at the top of the channel. But even when you look at it as in terms of conservative top of the channel here, that's still over $500 a share. Where did we close today? Let me zoom in. By the way, when you look at this number over here that's bouncing around, let me get rid of the crosshairs. This number right here on the right-hand side scale, that is the current trading going on with Tesla right now. It is almost 4:10 Central Time in the afternoon on August 1st, and Tesla just reported earnings today. And they closed at 301. It's trading at around 315. So they like what they're hearing, especially on the conference call, which I believe is going on right now. So let me zoom in a little bit in here and look at the daily chart a little bit closer. So here's the picture. Here's where we close today. Now, you know, there's no guarantee that wave E of this triangle, this broadening triangle in here, that wave E has ended. But I think the odds favor, especially if this continues to hold up in here and trades up in there tomorrow, that we're going to break this downtrend and to start pushing higher. That's what I'm looking for. Now, you know, when you look at a triangle in here, in terms of this A, B, C, D, E does not have to come all the way down to this AC line. It can undershoot it. It can overshoot it. Right now, it's clearly undershooting it. And I'm calling this the completed wave E in here. If you look at it and say, okay, well, what was you're looking for a ABC, that's the ABC that we've got labeled in here for this corrective wave. All right, so watching to see, still, let's go back to the weekly chart. We're still bullish, still think we're going to keep pushing higher, and we'll watch to see Tesla break out of this corrective triangle and push higher up here into above $500 a share. All right, if you felt like the video was helpful, hit the like button. And if you're not a subscriber, subscribe to this YouTube channel. And if you could think of someone who would benefit from watching the video, remember to share the video with them. And if you'd like to get more inside education and trade ideas, head on over to joehenches.net and check out the membership over there, the Insider membership. All right, everyone, that's it for today. Have a great rest of the week. We'll talk to you this weekend.